So our red flowers are done. Now we will do the top portion of the leaves and rest of the leaves before doing the final flowers and the birds. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. So as you can see, we are almost done with our Meenakari work. This is how the painting is looking. You can see the glossy effect it's giving when it is reflected in the lights, and in front it is looking a way more beautiful. The camera is not doing justice at all. I decided to go the inner part with white and the outer part I will do blue in color. You need to do each step very carefully and very meticulously. I hope the end result of yours is exact same like mine. To recapitulate all the things once more, we have done the lining work, and this project we are doing the coloring. First we did the yellow color, then we did the magenta color border, followed by the magenta color flowers. Then we started doing the inner portion and the green leafy area, followed by the flowers red and yellow, and now we are finally completing it with the blue color. I hope you are liking this lesson. You can use any color you have. Don't necessary that you need to do glass color. You can also achieve the same result using acrylic color and adding resin on top of it. So if you have acrylic color, you can go on, or you can do it poster color unless you will need the glossy look you have. With that being said, I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to ask me any question and also give an honest review in the review section. For now, let's bye. We will see again in the next lesson. If you want to enroll in my free workshop where I teach various Indian art forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.